Hello everyone, this is Guri from the Cosmos team, and today I want to show you how you can use our custom floor plan builder. So first of all, to open the builder, go to your Cosmos space, go to the space drop down, click on floor plan, and then you have the option to customize your own floor plan. Once you have opened your custom floor plan builder, you will see that the builder is divided into four parts. The top toolbar, which has all the action buttons. Then you have on the left side, you have your object layer panel, where you can see all the areas and the furnitures in a hierarchical manner. In the middle, you have your visual editor, where you can bring your idea to life. Then on the right side, you have your contextual panel, which changes according to whether you have selected a furniture or a room. So let's go through them one by one. So on the top left in the action toolbar, we have the select option with S, with which you can select any of the room. You can move them. And if you want to select any furniture, you can just double click on them. In the second one, we have the area action button. In area, you have the spatial area, the meeting room, and the entrance area. So what these areas are, I will explain it in a bit. And beside this, we have the object option with the shortcut O. In here you will see all our assets, the tables, the chairs, the sofas, decorations like signboard, shelves. Then you have the plants, lights, carpets, game tables, stage, and so on. Moving forward, we have the hand tool with which you can pan through the visual editor using H or the space bar. Then you have the undo redo options. On the right side, you have the zoom out, zoom in, and a clear floor plan option. In case you want to remove your progress and start from scratch, you can do that through clear floor plan. Then once the floor plan is built, you can save and publish it using the save option. Now let's get back to the areas. So here you will see there are three type of areas: the spatial area, the meeting room, and the entrance area. So spatial room is an open space where everyone can move around and have the spatial interaction. Like, let me give you an example. In my Cosmos space, I am represented with an avatar, and you will see there is a square box around me. I can move around, and whenever someone is close to me, which means when their spatial area is also overlapping mine, I will be able to hear them and see them. In case I am away from them, I will not be able to hear and see them. So this was the spatial area. In the meeting room, think of meeting room as a real life office room where a meeting is going on and everyone in the room are able to hear and see each other. Like here, if I go to the all hands room, this is a meeting room. You will see the whole room lights up. It doesn't matter whether I am sitting here, I'm sitting here, or I'm standing here. Everyone in the room will be able to hear and see each other. So that was the meeting room. Then going forward, we have the entrance area. Entrance area means at what spot in your space people will join whenever they open their Cosmos. Now let's go to the left side. In the left panel, we have our object layers where you will see all the rooms and the furnitures in a hierarchical manner. Like if I select one of the meeting room, you will see all the objects in the meeting room are selected. Now on the right side, we have the contextual panel. If I have selected a meeting room, I will get all the properties related to the meeting room. I can change the name. Let's say meeting room. I can change the design of the wall. I have the option whether I want to display a wall or not. I can change the floor design. Let's do this one. I also have the option to add borders, bottom, right, left, top, and change the style of the borders. Now in the room interaction, I also have two options. One is the apps and the second one is game. So apps means everyone in this room will be able to access the embedded apps. So in Cosmos, if you go to a room which has the apps integration, you will have the option to open whiteboard. You can access Google Docs, Google Sheets, Miro. So anything which have iframe embedded will open in the open apps interaction. If you have selected the games, then like if I go to this game room, I have the option to open game. I will be able to play all the Cosmos inbuilt games with my team. If I have selected any of the furniture, I have the option to choose the styles. I can choose the color and the rotation of the furniture. So this was a quick walkthrough of our new floor plan builder. Do try it and let us know how you find it. So till then, see ya.